In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp icon to a WordPress website.
So once you're inside your WordPress dashboard, you want to come down to plugins and touch add new plugin. And now we're going to type WhatsApp in this search plugins field. So automatically it finds all the WhatsApp plugins. And as we can see here, we have click to chat, we have join chat, we have 3CX free live chat, and we have several other WhatsApp plugins. On this other video that you're seeing on the screen, I had installed the Join Chat plugin. So on this video, I'm going to install the Click to Chat plugin. So what I'm going to do is just hit install now. And now it says it has been installed and it prompts me to activate it. So I'm going to activate this plugin. And the Click to Chat section has been added on the left side of WordPress. I'm just going to touch Click to Chat. I have now arrived to my Click to Chat setting window, and it says Click to Chat is almost ready. Add WhatsApp number and let visitors chat. So I'm going to enter my WhatsApp or WhatsApp business number here. Next thing is this greeting dialog. Greetings simplify customer interaction by displaying a brief message alongside with the WhatsApp button, informing visitors of its purpose. The Click to Chat plugin offers two greeting templates, while the Pro version adds a customizable greeting form. So basically, in the free version, the greeting will look something like this or like this. And on the Pro version, it will look something like this. But I'll come back to this greeting section later. What I'm going to do now is enter a pre-filled message. It's the text that is pre-filled in WhatsApp chat window. I'm just going to type, I need more information about your services. Next is the call to action. By default, it says WhatsApp us now. I'm just going to put an exclamation mark there. And next is the style position. Now, it has several styles. It says style number 1 is a theme button. Style number 2, which is the default, is a green square icon. And as you can see on the lower right corner, you have that green square icon. And as a matter of fact, WhatsApp us now is the call to action message that is coming up here. It's the same call to action that we can see here. So let me just play around with the style, and this button here should change. So I'm going for style number 1, and as you can see, change. I'm coming back to style number 2 and style number 3. It says an icon. Style number 3 extended. It says large icon. As you can see, still has the call to action. Style number 4, it says ship cylindrical. So that's how it looks with style number 4. Style number 5, image on hover context box. So that looks good. But for now, I'm just going to stick with style number 2. Position type only has one option because we have the free version, and that option is fixed, which stays at the same place even after page scroll. The Pro version has an absolute position type, and that moves with the page scroll. Position to place has two options, which is bottom and top. I'm going to move it to the top, and there you go, it moved to the top right corner. And right or left, I'm going to move that to left. So it's now on the top left corner. I'm going to move that back down to bottom, and I'm going to leave it on the right. And you can keep this option checked so that the settings will be the same on mobile and desktop. Next is the URL structure, and I'm just going to leave all of this as is. So desktop says open in new tab, and that's the desktop URL structure. I'm just going to leave all that as is. And coming down to the end, there's the display setting, and it will show on desktop and mobile, or I can override the global settings by telling it to only display it on certain pages, for example on the home page or on post pages or on pages, but I'm just going to leave everything as is. What I'm going to do is to save changes and see how it looks on a desktop browser. So this is the website, and as you can see, I have a WhatsApp button on the lower right corner. As I hover my mouse over the button, it says WhatsApp us now. And as for a mobile device, it's the same. If I press and hold down this green button, it says WhatsApp us now. And if I touch the button, it opens up directly on WhatsApp and it says, I need more information about your services. So typically the person will just hit the green arrow and the message will be sent to the party or to the company in this case. Now let's go back to the greetings section. From here, I can just touch greetings or I can hit the greetings option right here on the left side. So whichever one takes you to the greetings page. And it says now, greetings dialog. There's actually no greetings dialog, but I can activate one. I'm going to go ahead and activate greeting number 1. And it opens up this other information. And it says typically replies within minutes. I can change it if I want, but I'm just going to leave it as is. Going down a little bit says, any questions related to title will be the title of the blog post. So we're going to see how that works now. And finally, the call to action says WhatsApp us. Here we can see some of the settings for this greeting, but I'm not going to change none of the colors. I'm just going to leave all the colors and all of that. And I'm just going to go ahead and save that here. So save changes. And I'm going to see what it looks like on a mobile device. Okay, so I'm back to mobile and I'm going to hit the green button here and see what happens. And as I touch the green button, now I get this new window that says WP Chat Solutions, and that responds to the site name. So you see this here says site. That is the site name of my WordPress blog. So that's why it says WP Chat Solutions. Then the message says typically replies within minutes. So you can see that message here. And if I scroll down, you can see that the color that accompanies that text is a dark green color. Now the message says any questions related to WP Chat Solutions. So you can see here the greeting says any questions related to title, and the title name is WP Chat Solutions. And finally, going down a little more, the call to action is WhatsApp us, and it's the same call to action here, WhatsApp us. So if I touch this WhatsApp us button, it definitely opens up on a mobile device WhatsApp, and it has the same call to action or the same message that it had before. I need more information about your services. So now let's check greeting number 2. So I'm just going to put greeting 2 here and let's see what this looks like. It says any questions related to, and it's pretty much the same information. I'm just going to go ahead and save it so that you can see what it looks like. So I'm saving the changes here, and I'm going to refresh the page on a mobile device so that we can see how it looks. So I'm just refreshing the page on my mobile device, and I'm just going to hit the green button and let's see what it looks like. Now the aspect of this greeting has changed. It says any questions related to WP Chat Solutions. The aspect is just definitely different. It's just a second template that we're using, and if I hit WhatsApp us, it opens up again on WhatsApp with the same message which I can send.
So as you can see, that is how we add a WhatsApp icon to a WordPress website using the Click to Chat plugin. But now stay with me and check out this other video about WhatsApp and WordPress.